Hey, Gary here with you. Day 64 AI blogging. We're looking at images today. Based on these images inside of these astronomical observatories, of course, you know I'm having trouble with that word, astronomical. So what I'm doing, astronomical. What I'm doing here when I go into choose, as you know, when I pick the photo, I've been going to the free stock photo and I've just been putting in the word. For example, the keyword here is observatories. I'm not really too happy with the images as far as they don't have much pop to them, I'll say. I've selected a few of them so far, but you can see here, if I keep loading more, I'm kind of running out of images that I can use or images that I like. And I had said earlier in the past that I wanted to use real images, but I've got to thinking that I don't really think all of these are real images, or that line between science fiction and science fact, maybe, when it comes to this particular niche. But I know that some of these pictures that I've used in here, for example, this how big would a killer asteroid be to destroy Earth? This is not a real picture. These, I believe, these other asteroid pictures, I don't believe are real photos. They're illustrations. And why not just go ahead and embrace it full on? Go over to OpenAI, under products. Of course, we're using ChatGPT and GPT-4, but we can go ahead and use DALLE 2. DALLE 2 being the system or an AI system that can create realistic images and art from a description in a natural language. So I went to DALLE. You can see that I have 10 credits left from the time that I've been playing with it here. My credits will refill on July 3rd, or you can buy new credits, and I have 10 credits left. Here you can see I did an astronomical observatory at night glowing, and I really like these. I think stuff like this, images like this, things like this of this nature in this niche, or in any niche really, are really going to pop and stand out, and that's what I want, that's what I need. But before we do that, I wanted to go to the terms of service and take a quick look when it comes down to the content and the use of the content. And I wanted to read this, or I was looking for this sentence right here. This means you can use content for any purpose, including commercial purposes, such as sale or publication, if you comply with these terms. So they do give me the rights here to use these for commercial purposes, as long as I comply with all of these terms. But I just wanted to do a quick glance at the terms of service, then go back and then say, okay, well, I have these two articles queued up in Koala, Historical Development of Astronomical Observatories and Famous Astronomical Observatories in History. Then go back to DALLE and just put in the keyword Famous Astronomical Observatories in History, hit generate, and just see what I get. Just simply using the keyword and not really overthinking it, and see if it gives me something that I like and I can use, and then we'll just go forward from there. Check this out. This is really cool. Do I care that this is real? No. I'm just looking for a cool looking image. And then of course I will say on the blog, just like I did in the About Us section, that the content comes from AI, but it's being checked by me. And I can just say these images are rendered by AI, as long as I'm open and transparent about that, and let people know that these aren't real historical sites, and maybe even add some historical sites, some pictures of famous historical sites, and compare and contrast the AI images. I don't know. Sky's the limit when it comes to this. I just want to show you what I was thinking in this quick update. If you've been using AI images, let me know how you're using them. And if this video was helpful and you're liking what I'm doing here, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update. Bye.